Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends. Thank you for the time and opportunity that have been given to me this morning to talk about honesty. First of all, I would like to keep it together here in the good health. Ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends, honesty is a very important thing in life. Honesty is a very good attitude that we must apply in everyday life. Honesty can be interpreted as sincerity, not lie, straight heart, trustworthy word, and not cheating. Honesty is part of the positive nature of human being. Honesty is part of the self-esteem that must be maintained because of high value. Honesty is an inherent trait in a person and is an important thing to do in everyday life. If we are dishonest, then we must strive to build the character education so that we do not continue to lie. School should be an example to apply honesty, but it seems there are still many students who are not honest in school, for example by cheating. The cheat culture is increasingly and become the daily habit of the student in Indonesia. Yet cheating is a bad habit because they have acted dishonestly. At the time of the test, there are some students who glance at his friend's answer. Some even asked his friend when the teacher was not careless. The factor that causes the culture of cheating is still ongoing until now. Maybe because they have not studied before or because they have not understood the material in the test. But it's only done by some children who are not aware of the importance of honesty. Imagine what would happen to our country Indonesia if the successor are the master cheater of corrupt candidates? Surely our country is getting worse and its fate is getting bleaker. We should tell ourselves that honesty is better than everything. Besides cheating, there are many things that can be said as dishonesty, such as lying. Lying is to say something that there is no fact or basic reality. Lying can happen because of the influence of compulsion. Lying that is done once or twice will lead to continuous lies. For example, we lie once about a matter. We can lie again to cover up the lies we did before. In addition to lying, we as learners may often cheat, such as stealing. Stealing is taking someone else's property secretly and not acknowledging it. There are many more examples of dishonesty around us. Therefore, we must keep the honest attitude within ourselves. We must also be proactive if we see any dishonest even around us. Being honest will lead us to better things. When in everyday life we behave honestly, then we will lose the trust of the people close to us. That is a bad thing, because if we do not have friends anymore, our life will be really hard. Besides, honesty will also help us become a better person. Once again, telling the truth is the ultimate key to a happy life. Ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends, this is the end of my speech about honesty. I hope we all can be honest wherever we are. Finally, I do apologize if there is any mistake. Thank you so much for the attention.